Okay, we are in New Jersey. Let's eat some Filipino food. Hello.
You are the one who will pick up the inasal?
No, I'm coming for lunch.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff. Can I tell? I gotta remember it. So
Yeah, I know you.
I try to remember it all.
I saw you in Pico.
This is very big display. Wow. Do you need to order first?
No, girl.
Okay, I want to try and guess. So this is mung beans,
Yes.
pansit,
Pansit.
Sinigang.
Sayote. No, this is tinola.
tinola,
Chop suey.
tapsoy,
Sinigang.
sinigang. This one is
Pakbit.
takwat baboy.
Tokwat baboy. Yeah.
This one is binago.
Binagoongan.
What's that?
Bicol Express.
Bicol
this
Express.
one, this
What's
one.
this one?
Beef Kaldereta.
Beef caldereta, chicken adobo,
Chicken adobo, yeah.
Curry.
Chicken curry.
tapa,
And tapa. Tocino.
tocino,
Kare Kare.
kare kare.
Yeah. That is tapa and this is beef steak.
Oh, okay, I see. And what's this one?
Kambing.
Kambing. Oh, goat.
Goat.
Oh, wow, cool.
Banana cue.
Wow. Oh yeah, banana Q. And sulag
Gulaman.
gulaman. Okay.
We have fish here.
Okay, and you got some fish.
Fish. Pork barbecue.
And lechon
And
kawali.
lechon kawali. Yeah.
Amazing. Okay.
Okay, you can get your plate and you can eat all you can. This is buffet.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
How much is that one?
$11.99.
Okay, so I just whatever fits on the plate.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
This is for the soup.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Okay.
I'll do that. Thank you. How fun.
Here is the fried rice and plain rice.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. I'll put some rice on. Buffet style. Okay, I'm gonna go with. This is amazing. I've never been to a one that has a buffet. So let's do with the Kare Kare. That looks good. Let's do that. Kare Kare. I want to try. What's your favorite one?
Bungko, I think it's the best for me.
Try some of the tapa. And let's do Bicol. Takwat baboy. That seems like a nice combination.
We have also chicken inasal.
You do?
I already closed it.
And let's try a little goat. Look at this. Okay. I'm blown away. Okay.
You can take a picture for this chicken.
What is this?
inasal.
Chicken in a
Chicken
sal.
inasal.
Wow, that looks good.
No.
You grill it in the banana
Yeah.
leaf. Oh my gosh, that looks good.
Yeah.
Okay, this is my plate. That's okay? I didn't
Yeah.
take too much?
You can get more. You can
No,
come
no.
back.
No, it's okay. I get this. This is perfect. Thank you. Amazing. Look at this buffet mode. I'm going to start with the takwat baboy. So that's some tofu. I'm unable to. These spoons are always too small. What is going on? Here we go. Takwat baboy. So that's the tofu with pork. Ooh, that looks good. Mmm. That's a winner. Oh. The pork is so tender. Fatty. Mm. What else we got? The tapa, of course. And then we're going to get to the goat and the kare kare. Let's try the tapa with a little rice. Look at that. Wow. I think that's real tapa because that's tastes kind of like the jerky, like it's air dried. Normally, sometimes it's just beef that's marinated, but that really tastes like the real thing, which is like the, you know, dried out beef, like a beef jerky. Wow, strong beef flavor. That's probably one of the best tapas I've ever had. Okay, glowing orange thing. This is our Kare Kare. What happens here? You know what? Let's go with the hand technique. Heavy peanut butter. Heavy peanut butter. Ooh, it's good. I think it's usually made with oxtail, which I think this one is made with. Look at that glowing orange goodness. That one is one of the dishes in Filipino food that stands out to me. Is you've got the heavy peanut butter. I wonder which region that's from. I think it's from the north, but I'm not totally sure. But it tastes like, kind of like a peanut curry or something without a lot of the spice. So it's like peanut coconut milk. It's delicious. Let's combine a couple things before we try the goat. This is the tokwat baboy with a little tapa flavor train. You get the crispy skin, which makes all the difference in the tokwat baboy. And one thing that's good is these raw onions. They give it like this kind of like freshness, astringency. Whoa. All right, it's goat time. How exciting. I never find goat, but that's why you come all the way to the Filipino neighborhoods in New Jersey, because you can find all the real authentic stuff. We'll go for the above shot. Wow. The ability to try all of these dishes on one plate. That goat is so strong and kind of gamey, but like in a very good way. Really different, unique meat flavor. Perfectly tender. Some bones, makes for some graphic eating. This place is really good. First time I went here, I think they just opened, but this is really good. This is when you know it's real Kare Kare. The big knuckly pork bit here. That's the real deal, because that's like oxtail. Whoa. Okay, that was a big win. Big win. Really good. Thank you. It's very, very good. Where do you want me to put this? In here. Oh. Really good.
Really good?
Yeah, I love that.
I am making turon.
Turon, yeah, with the banana. I see.
Yeah.
So you use plantain.
Yeah.
And then you wrap it. That's so cool. And maybe I'll get a snack. What is a good snack?
It's up to you.
Okay, I get ding dong.
Ding dong.
Perfect. Thank you. Whoa. That place is awesome. I've never had a buffet style like that. Find somewhere to eat the ding dongs. And here we are on the train with the ding dongs. Let's try some of these. This is the original. They kind of look like corn nuts. Let's try. So you've got a mixture of looks like some little peas, corn nuts, peanuts, and some sort of mystery item. Let's try. Whoa. That is an outrageous amount of flavor. Super crunchy, super tasty. Would be really good with some beer. Not bad with a drink. An all-time Filipino snack. This is definitely in my top 5. Ding dong. Until next time.